Good morning, everybody. Today I am going to show you one important hydrological model that is called as SWAT, Soil and Water Assessment Tool. With this model, you can calibrate and validate the runoff and sediment analysis. Today I am going to show you how we can run the model in QGIS using QSwat. Please follow my instruction to get good results and get accurate results also. First of all, to install QSwat, we need to install QGIS 2.6 version. Why? Because this QSwat version is only supported to this QGIS desktop 2.6 version. I will show you how to download, how to install QSwat later, but first of all, in this video I will show you only how to run QSwat model in QGIS. First of all, I would like to open QGIS desktop 2.6 version. This is a QGIS 2.6 version. It's called as Bright app. It will take a few minutes to load QGIS version. Please be patient. Now this version is open. Please close this window. Here you can see this SWAT plugin is already installed in my QGIS version. When you newly install this QGIS version, it will not available this SWAT. So you have to install this QSwat separately. But first of all, in this video, here I will show you how to run this SWAT model. Now I will select SWAT here. When you click on this SWAT tab, it will show you select project, new project or existing project. So we are doing now new project. So we will select this one, new project. So it will ask you choose a file name to save the QGIS project. So you have to save this file in any drive wherever you want to access easily. So now I will select in this drive. So I will give you file name as tutorial1. Then next you can press save. You can see here automatically you can get this window. In this window there are step 1, step 2, step 3, but you can see here only step 1 is highlighted, delineated watershed. After delineated watershed, only remaining step 2, step 3 will be highlighted. First of all, we will move to step 1. So you can see here, if you take this window here, you can see here this is the delineated watershed window. In this one it's asking select DEM. So select DEM. DEM is nothing but digital elevation model. So you need to select DEM such that you are working. So in this DEM you want to delineate the watershed. So it's your DEM means you should have the your watershed area in which DEM it will be located. So I will select. Now you can see here I have my own DEM. My area is DEM is there. So this is Vaira Dam. So this is the Vaira Dam I have already clipped this one. Then I will select here this one, UTM. Here you can see black command will come after that one. Now you can see here, this is your Vaira Dam. This is clipped dam. Normally you will get them in rectangular dam, but from that dam, so I clicked my own area Vaira catchment. And how I got this shape means I have the watershed shapefile of the my catchment area. So with that shapefile I clipped this dip. This is a clipped dim, my selected area. Now you can see here, use another option is there, use existing watershed. This means when you download them from any website, so in that website you will get them. No, from the dem you need to calculate your watershed area. So when you have your watershed shape file, from this tab you can select and you can it will delineate automatically according to your shapefile. So if you don't know but if you have stream shapefile also, you can put it. You can inlet outlet shapefile is also there, you can put it. Okay, from this tab you can use. You can see here dem properties. Dem properties nothing but whatever dem I downloaded, I uploaded in this model, the dem properties here it will show. Here it's mentioning horizontal units meters, but here you can see whatever meters are there, it should be in vertical units meters. When you have inches, you should select inches. So but I have meters, so I selected meters. Now dem is nothing but digital elevation model. It will be if you this is a cell size in meters. So what is the cell size in meters is nothing but, you can see if you zoom this is the cell size. This is the cell size he given. So already I mentioned this is in units or meters, but if you want to measure this cell size, it will be you can see using this is a measure line, how much meters. Now you can select here. You can see approximately 91 meters. Why I am now you can see this one. This is approximately 91. Why I am showing this one? Now here in dem properties they mention the cell size. This is one. Cell area. This is 1 hectare is equal to 1000 meters square meters. So this cell size equal to this much of area. So extent in degrees. This area in northwestern you can see, and this is the project WGS UTM zone 44.9. This is the geographic projection system of this dem. This is the problem. So next what you have to do here is you can define threshold number of cells. So area is you can mention hectares or square meter, that is your own wish, but I will take hectares. So you can see 1146 hectares area, it represents 1384 number of cells. This is the cells. So in the 1146 hectares area you will have the 138. So according to this you want to define your streams. So I will select create streams next. You can see here some process program is running behind. Now if you go here, right click, zoom to layer, you will see a stream. So your stream network is generated here. By this diagram you can see that water is coming from this direction to this direction. That is known as this is the hill area and this is the lower area. Now you can see, if you see here, this is the elevation, but you can change also according to elevation colors. If you go to properties, so you can change which one you got. So blue you can put. Now here is stream network is generated here. This is the stream network. Next step, what we have to do, we have to select use an inlet outlet shapefile. There you have to select draw inlet outlet for your command area or basin area. So now I will select this one. Now I want to put here one outlet for my, then you can select here outlet. Okay. Now you have to select here. This is the, you can select. Now you can put save. Now you can select this review snap. So it will be review. Then you can apply create the watershed. Now you minimize this one, you can go here, zoom to layer, you can see your watershed area is delineated according to the stream networks. Remaining stream network is disappear because it will not count in this watershed area. Now when you find any small subbasins, you can use by using this option you can merge here, but I couldn't find. Now how to merge means, now this is the option, select subbasins. Now I select this one and this one. So I say save. So I say merge. So it's merged in one of the basin. Next go to, if you have any reservoir data in your watershed area in this stream network, so you can add by using this option. Then I don't have any reservoir in my watershed area, so then I'm out to press OK. Now you can see, after delineating watershed is done, then your step 2 is activated. This is a create HRUs. HRUs means hydrological response unit. So if you press this one, here in this one ask you select land use map. So now you have to land use map, you have to select and so according to given sources. Now I have my select land use map. This is my land use map. Now I will select this one, open. So here land use table are there. If you have your own land uses are there, you can use this one, and if you have global land uses, you can use this one. Now I am using this one. Next you have to select soil map. Where is the soil? You have to search your soil map where it is located. Then I select soil map by 7 here and open. Now here in this also you can select your user soil data. There are different options there, but I will select soil table according to the global size. Then you can select the generate full HRU shapefile and your set bands for slope. So you can give 10 according to slope 20 and 30. Now you can say press read. Now you can see in this window there are some land use and soils are added. So if you zoom to layer, you can see this is, if you take it out this land use, slope, shade you can take, village area. This is the land use here. Then next step is you can go to create it. Either you can select, after this one you can select this one. Here you have to give 10% and go. Here you can see HRU is done, 49 HR is 20. Third step is after 2 steps done, even step 3 is done. Now you can select connect to databases, then OK. Go to here, weather stations, weather generator, you can see